Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram. So first, open up the Instagram application into your device, and now go ahead and go to the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and go to the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here how others can interact with you category. So just simply select messages and story replies, and you should be able to see here show activity status. So tap on that, and from here, guys, make sure to turn this off to appear offline on Instagram. And from there, you should be able to appear offline. And just simply go to the top left, go back, and there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.